Good afternoon, sir. This is my report of tide table. A tide table is a crucial tool for anyone involved in maritime activities, coastal planning, or simply interested in understanding the rhythmic ebb and flow of the ocean. These tables provide predictions of high and low tide times and heights for specific locations. This information is essential for safe navigation as water depth significantly impacts vessel operations. They are also used in coastal engineering, fisheries management, and recreational activities. How tide tables works. Tide tables are based on complex calculations that consider the gravitational force of the sun and moon, the earth's rotation, and the shape of the coastline. Historically, these calculations were incredibly laborious, often requiring specialized calculating machines. Modern methods utilize sophisticated computer models to generate highly accurate predictions. Assessing tide table information. Several sources provide access to tide table data. Online resources, numerous websites offer free access to tide predictions for locations worldwide. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration in the US is a prominent example, providing extensive data for US coastlines and many international locations. Other countries and organizations also publish their own tide tables online. Printed publications, while less common now, some organizations still publish annual tide tables in print form. These were historically the primary source of information. Mobile apps. Many mobile applications provide tide predictions, often incorporating real-time data and user-friendly interfaces. Key differences between tide tables and charts. It is important to note the distinction between tide tables and tide charts. Tide tables show the times and heights of high and low tides, while tide charts are maps illustrating water levels at specific times throughout a bay or estuary. Modern digital forecast models have largely replaced printed tide charts. Types of tide predictions. Tide tables typically offer predictions on a daily, monthly, or annual basis. The accuracy of predictions varies